Hi everybody, this is Paul at Express POD, and this is how you connect your Etsy store to our app. When you come into the app, well, first thing to do is if you open your Etsy store and log into your Etsy store, if it's the first time you're connecting, if you come into the app, click Stores, click New Store, and click Connect Etsy. If it's the first time, if you just click create, it'll automatically fill everything in here. Or if you want to manually do it, if you type in your shop name, it can be any name here, as this is the name in the app, Demo Store. And then if you paste in the store domain and just remove this bit off the front, so it'll be etsy.com shop and then your store name. Just click create and that's it. Your store's connected and you can start pushing products to your store. Thank you very much. Bye.